Hey everybody, how you doing? Let me clean up the screen a bit. What do I use? Okay, yeah, we're good. So, welcome to the Dexarm. This is a robot arm that is designed to do 3D printing, do all sorts of modular stuff, 3D printing, laser engraving, and the likes, and pen, drawing with a pen. So I've used the other features, drawing with the pen and everything, but right now I want to show you the secrets behind the what do you call it, the Dexarm, using it for 3D printing, because I struggled for weeks with this. So I opened up my Rotrics software, Rotrics Studio, then I put on my 3D printer, right? Put it 3D printer on. You see it's on right now. Of course, I've already connected the module. I mean, you should not connect the module. I connected the module here. I clipped it in. Let me show you that again. You see that I already put on the fans, but clip it in like this. And right now, okay, this other fan is not on. Okay, so I can adjust for that. Only one fan is on. I can fix that in software. Then I've opened the software, right? Okay, I hope you're still there with me. Let me down the screen again, maybe to help. I don't know how to get you guys to see this screen. Maybe I use a QuickTime record. Okay. New screen recording. Let's record the screen. Audio. Okay, internal microphone, 1, 2. Okay, that audio is set. And I want to record the full screen. And start recording. Okay, so I'm recording the screen too. So what you're seeing here is the software, and let me just go straight to it. Your terminal window, this is your favorite, your best guy. You need this, but before you do, you need to activate this. Of course, I'll connect to my laptop. Of course, you can check for software updates, USB. This is the actual drive, USB modem. The rest are other things. And now I'm connected. First part, I'm connected to this. The most important thing, come here, activate the terminal window. This terminal window is very important. So now the issue I was having for the most part was that it was not activating 3D printing mode. Even if you come here, it doesn't activate 3D printing mode. So I learned something, and that is what I'm going to show you. Dummy, okay, the code I sent. So you type in this code, M88. First of all, let's see the module that's on. What's that? With M38888, let's see. The current mode, you see this? The current mode module is pen. So because the current module is pen, it's not gonna work for 3D printer. So I manually have to change it and do the change mode to P3. P3 is for printer. And now I've set the current module to printer. So we're set, literally we're set. And this is where I struggled many times. I couldn't even get this arm to heat up. But once my cousin helped and we got it to heat up. So now, now that it's heated up, the second fan I can turn on, but right now I actually don't want to turn on that second fan with the code yet. Let me just actually heat up this nozzle. So I go to the code. The code is M104, M140S. Let's say 200 because it's supposed to say 200. See N104. Right, it's just 104. Let's try that. Okay. Send the code and let's see. Okay. So right, voila, we're already heating up. That easily, we are already heating up this thing, and although you can't see, that is getting hotter. So since the heating problem has been solved, which has spent hours trying to heat up, since the heating problem has been solved, you see the numbers are going up. The next challenge is to get the filament into the right spool. So I took this, I put it inside the air dryer because we had the filament for a while and we could not get it to, it kept breaking. It kept breaking. So what I'm going to hope now is that since I know the cheat code is literally the code, let's see if we can get this filament to behave itself via our, I think I want to pass it from top or bottom. Let's see. Let's try passing it from the bottom. I think that's what I want to do. Bottom passing. Bottom passing. Okay. So I got this there. And I mean, you see, it's hard to get this thing to cooperate with me. But hopefully once I can pass it through here. Okay. Filament passes through there like that. Once that happens, where's my, yeah, this one, I think we have some filament stuck here, but I'm gonna just go like that. Connect this here. Have you seen that? Connect it here. But for now, I don't even need to connect it there. Let me just put it on this side. So I always had this issue, so I literally start cheating. I just open up that nozzle and try and push it out first of all. Okay, so we're at a good distance out. I put it back, and so now that I know that everything is done via code, I'm going to try and extrude the filament out via code. So I'm going to just go into my AI GPT to the Bing app. That's what I'm using right now, and we're just going to test it. What code to extrude the filaments on the Rotrics Dexarm. Okay, so okay, so let's see. Oops, snapped. It snaps. And I haven't even started yet and it's already snapping. Okay. Not a problem. We'll just try again. Try again, try again, try again, try again. Where are you? Where's the part that snapped? There you are. Okay. It's not a problem. You just try again. Okay, all these cables. I don't need this. This guy is proven to be useless. The touchscreen is not good for anything right now. The code is not optimized for anything. I don't need a pneumatic arm. I don't need my screwdriver. Get it out of the way. All I need is power and this guy. Okay, so try again. Let's try again. Okay. That's the key here in this season. Just keep trying. Try until you get it right. Okay. So this is in. Okay. So let's extrude, shall we? Oh, did I disconnect the wrong thing? Am I still connected to the arm? No, I'm not. Okay, let's connect. It's not showing up. Maybe I... Okay, there it is. Okay. Okay, I'm already connected. Good. So let's see the terminal window. Okay. We are already at our target temperature. Now, let's add some more code. G92 E0. Let's see that. Okay. Something came on. With that second code, something's, I don't know, something started spinning. All I want is extrude the filament. M2, let's try M next code, G92, G200, M2000, let's see, extrude 10 millimeters of filament, that's 10 millimeters. How about we extrude something bigger like 20 millimeters, huh? Oh snap, it's working. It's working. So instead of, let's just do 200. Let's just be bold. Extrude 200. Let's go. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? How do I stop extrusion? So wow, okay, that's 200. Okay, how to stop the extrusion? I'm excited. It has taken us months to get to this point, but we're finally here, and it's actually coming out. See how all that came out by itself. So much stress to put it in manually in the past. So I want to just find out the mechanism on how to get it done. Let's keep going. The command to track G92 E0. Okay, so that is in there. So let's do another 200, shall we? Come on. Still trying to figure this one out. G92 E. Oh, I don't have. Do 300 this time. Let's be bold. Try something. Okay, so that's quite amazing. I don't know why it stopped. I should have kept going. I tried to execute 300. 300, that was not 300. Clay, not 300. I don't know why it stopped. Let's try again. Try 10 this time. I don't know why it's going backwards. Oh no, we lost some filaments. I don't know why it's going back. Why is it going back?
Thanks for tuning in. If you know how to take this 3D printing to the next step, please leave it in the comments. I have been frustrated on this step for a few days since I got this far. And yeah, if you know how to get us to the next step of actually printing, leave it in the comments or maybe link a video to someone who has struggled with this before now. Dexarm hasn't done a good job in their documentation, but let's do our best to try and make this printer work. Okay, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay amazing.